The Aleutian Islands are a remarkable chain of islands. They stretch across the North Pacific Ocean. Imagine a string of emerald pearls flung across the sea. These islands are the very definition of remote. They're a place where the North American continent seems to reach out towards Asia. The Aleutians are a world unto themselves. They are a place of stark beauty and incredible biodiversity. Volcanoes rise from the sea. Their slopes are cloaked in a vibrant tapestry of green. The islands are a vital habitat. They're home to a breathtaking array of wildlife. The Aleutian Islands form a graceful arc. They extend westward from the Alaskan Peninsula. This archipelago marks a dramatic geological boundary. It is where the North American tectonic plate collides with the Pacific plate. This collision zone is a site of intense seismic activity. It is a region where earthquakes and volcanic eruptions have shaped the land for millennia. The islands are a testament to the power of Earth's tectonic forces. They are a living laboratory. Scientists can study the ongoing processes that shape our planet. The Aleutians remind us that our planet is a dynamic and ever-changing system. The Aleutian Islands are a product of fire. They were born from volcanic eruptions over millions of years. The islands are part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. This is a zone of intense volcanic and seismic activity that encircles the Pacific Ocean. The volcanoes of the Aleutians are a constant reminder of the powerful forces at work beneath the Earth's surface. Some of these volcanoes are still active today. They periodically rumble to life. Eruptions send plumes of ash and steam high into the atmosphere. These eruptions are a visible reminder of the dynamic forces that have shaped the Aleutians over eons. The landscape of the Aleutian Islands is a study in contrast. Towering volcanoes rise from the sea. Their slopes are etched by deep valleys carved by glaciers. The coastline is a rugged tapestry of cliffs, sea stacks, and hidden coves. The islands are a testament to the power of both fire and ice. The Aleutians were once covered by vast ice sheets. These glaciers have retreated over time. They have left behind a legacy of sculpted valleys and glacial lakes. The islands are a place of stark beauty. They possess a haunting, ethereal quality. Section 5. A birdwatcher's paradise. The Aleutian Islands are, a haven for bird life. Stretching over 1,000 miles from the Alaskan mainland, these remote islands are a sanctuary for countless bird species. The rugged cliffs and pristine shorelines create a perfect environment for avian life to thrive. Millions of seabirds flock to the islands each year. These birds travel from far and wide, drawn by the promise of abundant food and safe nesting sites. The sight of these vast flocks in flight is truly a spectacle to behold. They come to breed and raise their young. The islands offer a safe haven where they can build their nests and rear their chicks away from many of the predators found on the mainland. The island's cliffs and shorelines provide ideal nesting sites. The rocky outcrops and secluded beaches offer protection and ample space for the birds to establish their colonies. The rich waters surrounding the islands teem with fish. These nutrient-rich waters support a diverse marine ecosystem, providing a plentiful food source for the seabirds. This abundance of food makes the Aleutians an ideal breeding ground. The birds can easily find enough to eat, ensuring that their chicks grow strong and healthy. The islands are home to a remarkable diversity of avian life. From the smallest songbirds to the largest seabirds, the Aleutians host an incredible array of species. Puffins, auklets, mureys, and fulmars are just a few of the species that call the Aleutians home. Each species has adapted to the unique conditions of the islands, creating a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. These birds are not just residents, they are integral parts of the island's ecosystem. Their presence helps to maintain the balance of nature, contributing to the health and vitality of the environment. The islands are a bird watcher's paradise. Enthusiasts from around the world come to witness the incredible diversity and beauty of the bird life here. With binoculars in hand, they scan the skies and cliffs, hoping to catch a glimpse of these magnificent creatures. They offer a glimpse into a world teeming with life. The Aleutian Islands are not just a refuge for birds, they are a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. For those who visit, the experience is unforgettable, leaving them with a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the natural world. Section 6. Giants of the Deep and Agile Hunters. The waters surrounding the Aleutian Islands are incredibly rich. They support a vast array of marine life. Whales migrate through these waters. They feed on the abundant krill and fish. Sea otters, with their playful antics, are a common sight. They are a keystone species in the Aleutian ecosystem. The Aleutian Islands are also home to several species of seals. Harbour seals bask on the rocky shores. Stellar sea lions congregate in noisy rookeries. The island's waters are a constant ballet of life. They showcase the delicate balance of nature. Section 7. The Aleut Children of the Sea. The Aleutian Islands have been inhabited for thousands of years. These remote and rugged islands, stretching over 1,000 miles, are home to a unique and resilient people. The Aleut, or Unangan, have thrived in this harsh environment, developing a culture deeply intertwined with the sea. The Aleut people, or Unangan, are the indigenous people of these islands. Their history is rich with stories of survival, adaptation, and a profound connection to their surroundings. They have passed down their traditions and knowledge through generations, ensuring the continuity of their cultural heritage. They are a maritime culture. The Aleut have always relied on the ocean for their livelihood, mastering the art of navigation and fishing in some of the world's most treacherous waters. Their skill in building and maneuvering kayaks is legendary, allowing them to traverse the open sea with remarkable agility. They have a deep connection to the sea. The ocean is not just a source of food for the Aleut, it is a central part of their identity and spirituality. The waves, tides, and marine life are woven into their myths, songs, and daily practices. The Aleut traditionally relied on the ocean for their sustenance. Fishing was not merely a means of survival, but a way to maintain their bond with the natural world. They developed sophisticated techniques to catch fish, ensuring a sustainable harvest that would support their communities. They hunted whales, seals, and fish. These activities required immense skill, bravery, and cooperation. Whale hunting, in particular, was a communal effort that brought the entire village together, reinforcing social bonds and cultural values. They gathered seabird eggs from the cliffs. This practice was another example of their ingenuity and deep understanding of their environment. Scaling the cliffs to collect eggs was a dangerous task, but it provided a vital source of nutrition. The Aleut developed a deep understanding of the island's resources. They knew which plants were edible, which materials could be used for building, and how to read the weather patterns. This knowledge was passed down through generations, ensuring the survival of their people. They lived in harmony with the natural world. The Aleutian Islands, with their dramatic landscapes and abundant wildlife, provided everything the Aleut needed. They took only what they needed and respected the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Their culture is inextricably linked to the sea. Every aspect of Aleut life, from their diet to their spiritual practices, is influenced by the ocean. They hold ceremonies to honor the sea and its creatures, expressing gratitude for the bounty it provides. Their story is one of resilience and adaptation in a challenging environment. The Aleut have faced numerous challenges, from harsh weather to external threats. Yet they have always found ways to persevere. Their ability to adapt and thrive in such a demanding landscape is a testament to their strength and ingenuity. Section 8. A legacy woven in bone and sinew. The Aleut people developed a rich and complex culture. They were skilled craftspeople. They created intricate carvings from bone and ivory. They wove beautiful baskets from grasses and roots. The Aleut were also skilled boat builders. They constructed kayaks and umiaks. These vessels allowed them to navigate the treacherous waters surrounding the islands. Despite facing numerous challenges, the Aleut culture has survived. It continues to thrive. The Aleut people are working to preserve their language, traditions, and stories for future generations. Their legacy is a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. Section 9. Guardians of a Fragile Paradise. The Aleutian Islands, a remote and rugged archipelago, stretch across the northern Pacific Ocean. These islands are a sanctuary for a diverse array of wildlife and a testament to the raw beauty of nature. Today, the Aleutian Islands face new challenges. The once pristine and untouched landscapes are now under threat from various environmental pressures. Climate change is a growing threat. The melting icebergs and retreating glaciers are stark reminders of the rapid changes our planet is undergoing. It is impacting the delicate balance of the island's ecosystem. Rising sea levels, ocean acidification, and the warming of ocean waters are all contributing to the disruption of marine life and coastal habitats. These changes in water temperatures are taking a toll on the marine species that call these waters home. Fish populations are shifting, and some species are struggling to survive in the altered conditions. The islands are a microcosm of the challenges facing our planet. The diverse wildlife, from seabirds nesting on rocky cliffs to marine mammals navigating the cold waters, all depend on a stable environment. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the unique biodiversity of the Aleutian Islands. Researchers and conservationists are working tirelessly to monitor wildlife populations and restore native vegetation. Scientists are studying the island's ecosystems. They are collecting data to understand how climate change and other factors are affecting the delicate balance of life here. They are working to understand the impacts of climate change. By setting up monitoring equipment and taking water samples, they hope to gather crucial information that can inform conservation strategies. The Aleutian Islands are a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. The health of these remote islands is linked to the broader health of our global environment. They highlight the importance of conservation and stewardship. Local communities and volunteers are playing a crucial role in protecting these fragile ecosystems through cleanup efforts and the establishment of protected areas. It is our responsibility to protect this fragile paradise for generations to come. By fostering a connection with nature and promoting sustainable practices, we can ensure that the Aleutian Islands remain a sanctuary for wildlife and a source of inspiration for future generations.